In the biopharmaceutical industry, flexibility, security, and efficiency are key. Technic single-use solutions are engineered to enhance both process development and manufacturing. Our dual-purpose bioreactors offer scalable volumes from 30 to 2,000 liters, supporting both cell and microorganism growth with interchangeable bag holders. This eliminates the need for multiple pieces of equipment and streamlining production. Technic eBag 3D STR integrates seamlessly with our pilot and EPROD bioreactors, ensuring top product quality and safety. Utilizing Technic single-use technology reduces downtime, minimizes contamination risks, and lowers cleaning costs, promoting efficiency and savings. Our advanced control system, with a 15-inch touchscreen, allows precise monitoring for accurate culture growth. From monoclonal antibodies to vaccines, Technic bioreactors set the standard for quality and flexibility in biomanufacturing. For further information on our solutions or to discuss how we can meet your specific needs, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team or visit our website.